my second edition of this notice is I'll start with my family of John and Anna Wolf. Children were Marie, Lawrence, Lorraine, Dorothy, Ruth, John, Irene, Cy, Tony, Bernie, Francis, Bob, and Ralph. Francis died in infancy. In addition to that, I also played, like I said before, baseball for 10 years or 11 years. We had a very good team with myself and my brother Ralph and a number of players. We had 3 championships in the Rock River League. What else?
What years were
You're in the Hall of Fame.
50, 59, 60, 61, and I think 64. 63 we had one, but it was canceled. Break time.